Let's take a look first at augmentation, right? So what I mean by augmentation is our propensity to teach AI to make decisions. I don't want to get too technical in this course either, but I just want to bring up the 3 different ways that we can train AI to learn. In the field of machine learning, we have unsupervised learning, supervised learning, and reinforcement learning. The outcome, even though the techniques are pretty different in themselves, the outcome is very often similar. It allows AI to use the same data, the same signal in the data that we would use to be able to make decisions, to make a final call on what something is, right? Whether it's to classify dog pictures and cat pictures, whether it's to find, let's say, underlying patterns in unstructured data, or whether it's to train a model to look at the world, which is going to be the focus of reinforcement learning, train a model to look at the world, to take an action in this world that we kind of like pre-program, and to observe a final state and a final reward of the world. This is pretty similar to the way that we learn, to play cards, the way that we learn to take actions, make decisions. We observe the world, get a reward from our action, and rinse and repeat. And we found a pretty, let's say, efficient, well, arguably efficient way to train AI, to train agents to precisely do this part, like the learning part, so that for many processes, from playing to autonomous driving to customer intelligence augmentation for e-commerce platforms, we managed to substitute a huge bunch, let's say like a fair amount of decisions that we traditionally used to do in more or less the same process.